Good day, this is Miss Juliet, and these are some common entrance preparatory questions. So get your writing materials and listen carefully. Write in figure 42,018. 42,000 has 3 zeros, just like 100 has 2 zeros. And 18, you write 18 just underneath. 8 goes to the units side, that's under the last 0, while 1 goes to the tens side. So we add it now. 0 plus 8 gives us 8. Yeah, 0 plus 1 gives us 1. Then we bring 0 down, we bring the comma down, we bring 2 down, and we bring 4 down. So our answer is 42,018, of course, in figure. So that is what option? Option E. Option E, correct. The next question is find the sum of 0.02, 7.4, and 2.58. So here we have to make sure that while writing the figures, the decimal points fall on the same place. Just like 7.4, I can't push it down. I can't put 4 on that too. Okay, so you arrange it accordingly. Make sure the decimal points are on the same line. So now we add it. They said sum. Wherever you see sum, it means addition. 2 plus 8 gives us 10. You write 0, you carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. You write 0 and you don't forget to put your point. Then you carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. There is no other place to carry the 1 to, so we have to write the tens and the units. So that is option C. The next question, what is the LCM of 16 and 24? LCM means lowest common multiple. So we want to find out the lowest common multiple of 16 and 24. I'm sure you've been taught this in your previous lessons. So we have to find the multiples of 16 first, as you can see. Okay, 2 divided by 16, 8, 2 in 8, 4, 2 in 4, 2, 2 in 2, 1. Okay, so the multiples of 16 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Gives us 16. Try to multiply it, you see that it will give you 16. Now the lowest common multiple of 24 as well, the factors of 24. You use the lowest number that can go into 24 and you have to divide them to get the answer on that. 2 divided by 24, 12, 2 in 12, 6, 2 in 6, 3. Now 2 cannot go in 3, so that's why we used 3 again. So now 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 gives us what? 24. So now to find the lowest common multiple, we can see the numbers which are similar. That is 2 times 2 times 2. And it also appears in the factors of 24. 2 times 2 times 2, as you can see. Okay, so we have to bring out, just because 3 doesn't appear in the first one, so we have to join them together. We have to join the first 4 2's together. Okay, that's the factors of 16 and the factors of 24. Because 2 already appeared in the factors of 16 3 times, we don't have to add it 3 times again. So all we just do is to add those 3 2's and the last 2 which is among the factors of 16, and the 3, which is among the factors of 24. Okay, we are not adding any 2 from 24 because it already appeared in the factors of 16. So that leaves us with 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 gives us what? I hope you are also trying to get this. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, it gives us what? 48. Okay, if you can't multiply at once, you can also do this, just like you can see on the screen. Okay, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 16, then 16 times 3 gives us 48. So that is option what? That is option E. Okay, the next question, express x centimeter in meters. I'm sure you know this, 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So we'll first have to write the formula. One thing with mathematics is once you get the formula, it makes it easier for you. So if 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, it means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100 meter. Okay, which gives us 0.01 meters. That's 1 divided by 100 gives us 0.01 meters. Okay, so x centimeters will be equal to 0.01x. Okay, so that's option A. Option A, good. The next question, when 5 is added to 6 times a number, the result is 35. What is the number? First, we have to get the number as x. We are just guessing. We don't know the number. So we are guessing it's x. So 5 is added to the number, to 6 times a number. That's 6 times x. That's 6x, right? So 5 plus 6 times x equal to 35. So 5, we minus 5 from both sides, and that will leave us with 6 times x equal to 30. We divide both sides by 6 and we get 5. Yes, 6 divided by 1, 6. 6 divided by 30 gives us 5. So the answer is 5. It means x is equal to 5. Anytime you see this kind of question, you look for any letter to replace it. So that's option B. The next question, if x plus 4 is equal to 6, what is the value of x raised to power of 3? Just like we had to subtract in the last question, we had to subtract both sides by the figure. So we are doing the same thing here. X plus 4 minus 4 equal to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 gives us 2, because of course 4 minus 4 gives 0, so there's no need to put it. So x is equal to 2. Now we are looking for x raised to the power of 3. So if x is 2, 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which gives us 8. That's option C. We move to the next question. If 3y is equal to 27, what is the value of y? In this question, we have to divide both sides by 3. 3 is the coefficient of y. If it was 2y, 2 is the coefficient of y. If it was just y, 1 is the coefficient of y. So we are dividing both sides by the coefficient, which is 3. 27 divided by 3 gives us 9. Okay, 9, and that is option C. Option C, the next question. If the product of 2 and 10 is divided by the sum of 2 and 3, the result is, so now we do 2 and 10. 2 and 10 means 2 times 10. Okay, divided by the sum. Remember I told you sum means addition. The sum of 2 and 3, which is 2 plus 3. Okay, 2 times 10 is 20. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, whenever you see product, it means multiplication. Okay, so 20 divided by 5 gives us 4. That's option C. Very good. So we move to the next question. The three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2, ratio 3, ratio 5. Calculate the size of the smallest angle. Every angle in a triangle is 60 degrees. Okay, so we are going to add the numbers given to us, which is 2 plus 3 plus 5. That's equal to 10. And the summation of those angles the summation of the triangle gives us 180 degrees. Okay, so it means that if we add all these numbers, we have to find the size of the smallest angle. Okay, so of course the smallest number is 2, so that's 2 over 10 times 180 degrees. Hope you are jotting this down. 2 times 18 gives us what? 36 degrees. Do not forget your degrees in case you are not given options. C, 36 degrees. Yeah, option C. Then we move to the next question. If the perimeter of a square floor is 32 centimeters, find its area. Perimeter means the addition of the sides of a square, and the sides of a square are always equal, right? Always equal. So if we are to find out how many centimeters one side is, that's 32 divided by 4, right? 32 divided by 4. So I'm showing you here, we have to divide both sides by 4 to get 8. It means one side is 8. If the length is 8, the other length 8, the breadth 8, the other breadth 8. So if you add it all together, it gives us 32. So it means the length of one side is 8. We have to find the length of one side before we can determine its area. Now to find if the length is 8, how do we get the area? To get the area, let's say it is L square. The formula will be L square. So L square, L in this question shows us that it is 8. So it means 8 square is 8 times 8, which gives us 64 centimeters. Okay, so that is option A, 64 meter square. This is the end of the lecture. So answer the following questions. We have 10 questions and they are very easy. So I hope you can answer them correctly. Take care of yourself. Bye. Have a lovely day.